Howdy y'all, I'm Ricky and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. Let me ask you something. Have you and your spouse ever had that quiet moment where you know there's a financial conversation that needs to happen, but either of you wants to start it? I'm sure it's a yes, right? Well, maybe things have changed. Income is different, or one of you started a business. Maybe someone stepped back from work to focus on the family. That happens a lot. You know, mom's a stay-at-home mom now, or dad's a stay-at-home dad. And now there's this underlying question. Are we still on the same page financially? That's where a postnuptial agreement can come in. And no, it's not about planning for divorce. It's about creating clarity while things are still good. Postnups are great. Prenups are great. But if you didn't get your prenup done, you got a postnup, which is after marriage. Here's a simple version. A postnuptial agreement is a legal contract you and your spouse create after you've married that defines how finances, property, and debts are handled now and if something changes later, right? In Texas, that matters. More than people realize, Texas is a community property state. And what that means is most assets acquired during the marriage, income, property, even parts of a business, can legally belong to both spouses, regardless of whose name is on it. For some couples, that works, but for others, it creates confusion and stress. A postnuptial agreement lets you take control of that. And that's what we like about it. You and your spouse decide what's separate, what's shared, and how things are handled moving forward. And that's based on your actual life, not a one-size-fits-all scenario. So we customize these things. But here's the key. It has to be done right. It has to hold up in Texas. It must be voluntary. Both sides need full financial disclosures, and it can't be extremely one-sided. If those elements aren't there, the agreement may not be enforceable at all. That's the same for a prenup. That's a risk you don't want to take. So communication is important here. Now here's the biggest misconception. This isn't about expecting your marriage to fail. Most couples we see are doing this because they want to stay married. They want to understand things. They want everything to be planned out. They just want less stress, better communication, and a clear plan. Because when there is clarity, there is less conflict. And when there is less conflict, your entire household benefit, especially if you have kids. Think about it this way. You can wait until problems arise, or you can get ahead of the problem and tackle them head on and be responsible about it when you're both on the same team. So remember, you're both on the same team. You should not be coming at this adversely, right? That's the real value of a postnup or a postnuptial agreement. If you're in Texas and you're wondering whether this makes sense for your situation, reach out to our team at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. We're here to help you protect the future and make confident decisions. And we can get you a free consultation. Call in, schedule it today. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and also leave us comments below. So hang in there. We'll see you next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.